Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to display the content as a list. Because in HTML, we are learning how to structurize our content. Okay. We are not fetching the data from database, but if we open any website, for example, let's say if we open this GitHub, see how properly they have displayed the content, correct, right? So these are, you can consider this as a list or table. Properly in table form they have displayed along with three options. Okay, you can consider three columns are there. In one column file name, in second column the commit message, in third column the time when it got committed. So in table form they have displayed. So we are learning how to display the data as a table, as a list, the different structures, correct? So in this video, we are going to learn how to display the data as a list. Okay, so let's start. I will create one file with the name list.html. Three different types of list we are going to understand. One is ordered list, another one is unordered list, and descriptional list. So first I will go live. Very simple list and very simple tags are there. So let's start. I'll split the screen. Okay. So first, browser body tag is already there. So I want to create one ordered list. So let's say whenever you want to display some steps which user should follow in the same sequence, go with ordered list. For example, let's say you are selling one product. How user has to start that product? First, user has to put one battery, then these steps user has to do, then this button, then next this. So same steps user should follow, same sequence user should follow, then go with order the list. So inside a list, we will be having list item. Li denotes the list item. So this is my first list item. So inside this, I'll just write item 1. Again, I will copy this. How many items you need? 4 items I need. So item 1, this is your item 2. Next item 3 and item 4. I will save the code. Now if I refresh, see I got the first ordered list. 1, 2, 3 we have not given. Your browser has given. So in H1 tag, I'll just write, this is your ordered list. We'll save the code and we'll refresh this. So you can check this is your ordered list. Okay. In the similar way, let's create unordered list. In H1 tag, I'll just write unordered list. Unordered list means where this sequence 1, 2, 3 doesn't matter. For example, let's say you want to display the features of your product. Features you can display in any sequence, right? So let's create the unordered list. UL tag is used to instruct to the browser to create unordered list. Inside this also list items will be present. So this is your item 1. Okay. On the next line, one more list item I have. This is item 2. On the next line, this is one more. This is item 3. Next, LI. This is item 4. We'll save the code and we'll refresh this. See, we got unordered list. And for unordered list, you will get the bullets by default. So we are instructing to the browser, create one unordered list. In between opening and closing tag, all your list elements are present. Okay? Understood? Now next we have a descriptional list. See, H1 tag. Description list. In description list, you will be having the description term, okay, and the description data. So what is the meaning of this? Let's start. Let's say here we have some description term. I will write T. Now about this T, I want to give some description. So here I'll just write T is hot. We'll save the code. I'll refresh this. See, I got T is hot. So this is your description term. This is the description data. So I will wrap this inside one descriptional list because multiple terms, multiple description data you will be having, right? This is the first one. Next description term is, let's say, coffee. What is the description about the coffee? Description data. Coffee is cold. We'll save the code. I'll refresh this. See, I'm getting coffee is cold. So this is first and this is second. In between, if you use HR tag, this is the HR tag. We'll save the code. I'll refresh. See, I got one horizontal rule. Okay. After this, ordered a list. If you need one horizontal line, so use HR. That's all. So if I save and refresh, see, I got a line. After this, unordered a list. See here, I need one horizontal line. We'll save. I'll refresh. I got it. Clear, everyone? So these are the three different types of list: ordered, unordered, and descriptional lists. When to use which one, how to style it, that part we are going to learn in CSS, not now. Okay? So in the next video, we will learn how to display the data in tabular structure. This is all about this video, guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.